Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. You know who I am. Last night I ended up not cooking because I had a very bad mental health day yesterday. I will do the fresh pasta probably Sunday when Robin is home. Robin's working today, but she is traveling to Oakland for a meeting later on today into the evening. So tonight, I'm going to be cooking, hopefully, cooking for myself. Let me show you basics of what I have. Got the hardware. I'm going to be starting off with some beef, red bell pepper, onion, garlic, of course, kosher salt, black pepper, some olive oil, and whatever I do with the sliced beef, which I will slice this beef up later, was serving it over white rice. Nights like tonight, I get to play and do, have fun with the meal because I'm the only one eating it. So, on this Friday, this fabulous Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.